To begin our job search, what we're going to do is look at one way that I would recommend that you organize your searches. Okay, you're going to be doing a lot of investigation. You'll be on a lot of sites, and it's going to be important for you to keep everything organized. So I just did some research, and you can do your own research, but there was one site that recommended creating a job application spreadsheet. And so we're going to take a look at maybe a simple way that might look. It doesn't have to be anything elaborate. And then they give you different programs that you can do that in. So just taking the information that they have here, I went into Google Sheets and I created something that I thought I would want to do if I were in my job search. So first of all, I put the organization and the name or the address. You could split these up so that you could sort by location if you want to. It's going to be important for you to get the contact person's name, phone number, email address, or the title of a place, a person that you would apply to. You don't want to just send a generic request or application to whom it may concern. What are the things that they are asking you to be able to do? What are your skills, duties, responsibilities, all that kind of stuff? And don't let experience or maybe there's something that you don't know how to do, don't let that keep you from applying because you may have qualities that they are looking for. And a lot of companies really are interested in finding the beginners and then they can train them the way that they want. Sometimes it's better than having experience. Cover letter, resume, portfolio, reference list, the date that you applied. These are all boxes that I just created that you could check off when you've actually submitted those items to that particular company. Now, what I'm going to focus on here in a little bit is the web research. The website research for the company. You should always know a little bit about your company before you begin the actual process and contacting them. So this will let them know that you are truly interested in them as a company. You might want to put what you like about it, maybe what you don't like about it. You're going to take the same approach when you do your college research, something similar to what we talked about at the beginning of the year. You know, do you want a large firm, a small firm? Do you want, what is the area of specialization that you want to focus on? What is the geographical location? That kind of stuff. So you want to put whatever you feel is important to you in a spreadsheet, and then you are able to search and sort as you need. Good luck.